Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. We're going to learn colors in this lesson. I'm Miss Bokagalatglaw, freelance language teacher. This is a free language program. Let's enjoy. Color. The spelling C-O-L-O-U-R is British English. C-O-L-O-R is American English. In Kachin Jinghpaw, Nsam. Colors, Nsamni. Black, Ajang. Black, Ajang. Black shoes, Shanpi Gebdin Ajang. Black shoes, Shanpi Gebdin Ajang. The blackboard is black. Bien Jango, Jang Ai. The blackboard is black. Bien Jango, Jang Ai. White, Apro. White, Apro. White flower, Nampan Apro. White flower, Nampan Apro. The sheep is white. Google Pro I. The sheep is white. Google Pro I. Red, Akyang. Red, Akyang. Red rose, Numripan Akyang. Red rose, Numripan Akyang. Tomatoes are red. Bakrisi nigo kengai. Tomatoes are red. Bakrisi nigo kengai. Yellow, Atoy nsam. Yellow, Atoy nsam. Yellow sunflower, Atoy nsam ri ai shitapan. Yellow sunflower, Atoy nsam ri ai shitapan. These are yellow bananas. Ndani go atoy nsam ri ai lungusi ni re. These are yellow bananas. Ndani go atoy nsam ri ai lungusi ni re. Green, acid. Green, acid. Green grass, singdu acid. Green grass, singdu acid. Bananas are still green. Lungusi ni go no sidai. Bananas are still green. Lungusi ni go no sidai. Blue, amut. Blue, amut. Blue jeans, Jin lebu amut. Blue jeans, Jin lebu amut. The sky is blue. Lumugo mut ai. The sky is blue. Lumugo mut ai. Brown, amang nsam. Brown, amang nsam. Brown coffee. Coffee amang. Brown coffee. Coffee amang. Coffee beans are brown. Coffee tum nigo mang ai. Coffee beans are brown. Coffee tum nigo mang ai. Purple shba bun sam. Purple shba bun sam. Light purple lavender. Poi shba bun sam re ai lavender. Light purple lavender. Poi shba bun sam re ai lavender. Aubergines, British English. These are purple aubergines. Dani go shba bun sam re ai shba sini re. Eggplants, American English. These are purple eggplants. Dani go shba bun sam re ai shba sini re. Pink, sumum bun sam. Pink, sumum bun sam. Pinky cake, sumum bun sam re ai udi muk. Pinky cake, sumum bun sam re ai udi muk. This is a pink cherry. Dai go sumum bun sam re ai bin pu re. This is a pink cherry. Dai go sumum bun sam re ai bin pu re. Gray, Grey, gray is British English. Gray, gray is American English. In Kachin, Jinghpaw, one couldn't sam. Gray, one couldn't sam. Gray rock, one couldn't sam re ai lung krung. Gray rock, one couldn't sam re ai lung krung. These are gray elephants. Dani go one couldn't sam re ai mugwini re. These are gray elephants. Dani go one couldn't sam re ai mugwini re. Violet, shba bun sam. Violet, shba bun sam. Violet flowers, shba bun sam re ai nampan ni. Violet flowers, shba bun sam re ai nampan ni. These are violet cabbages. Dani go shba bun sam re ai ba khoni re. These are violet cabbages. Dani go shba bun sam re ai ba khoni re. hope you have a great fun learning colors in Kachin Jinghpaw language. Right, Jeju Basai? Thank you very much. Hang de by Krumga. See you again.